Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Here are two ways to get CapCut Pro for free. So you can either select like a video, maybe like a pro one or just like a free one, and maybe you've added a pro feature. You can just okay, this doesn't really show anything. Hold on. Let's select this video here, and for instance, you have added this pink snow effect, which is a pro feature. So adjust your video first, then you're going to make it a full screen and you're just going to screen record it. Although the quality won't be the best, but you'll still be able to save it like that. Or you can invite your friends to join CapCut Pro for a 7-day free trial. Go back to homepage, invite your friends here. And both of your friends will get it if they download it from your link only. So that is pretty much it. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!